What's up, guys? So today we are going to learn about the circle of fifths. This is in the key of C because it has 0 sharps or flats. However, if it was in a different key, how would we be able to figure out which sharps and flats to use? This is where the circle of fifths comes in handy.
So to create the circle of fifths, you're going to want to start by drawing a circle, obviously. The top of the circle, you're going to want to write a C. So first, to add the sharp keys, you'll want to go clockwise and add notes that are a perfect fifth higher. So from C, a perfect fifth higher would be a G. From G, a perfect fifth higher would be a D, A, E, B, F sharp. I'm going to stop here because if you could go down fifths and you add flats, you'll see why that helps. So C down a fifth would be an F. F down a fifth would be a B flat. And D flat down a fifth would be a G flat, which is the same as an F sharp. One easy way to avert this whole, having to count perfect fifths as you go around the circles is to use this mnemonic. Father Charles goes down and ends battle. Or a funnier way of looking at it that we figured out is to go the reverse way and say battle ends and down goes Charles' father, which I think is a lot funnier.
But what about minor keys?
All you have to do is count down a minor third from each of the major keys on the outside of the circle, and then we usually put them on the inside of the circle. So from C, if you count down a minor third, that would be an A.
I will now show you how to add the sharps on the staffs. So if we don't need any sharps or flats, this is what we have. This one is in C major or A minor. If we want to keep adding sharps to change the key, when we add one sharp, we'll add it here. When we have to add 2 sharps, we'll add this sharp, and we'll add a second sharp over here. Likewise, the third sharp goes here. Fourth, fifth. And if you need a 6th sharp, it will go here. So there we go. This is called our key signature, no matter how many sharps we have in it. Now, if we want to go in the opposite direction on the circle of fifths, so say instead of one of these keys, you want to use one of these keys, then you'll have to start adding flats. So if you want F major or D minor, you add 1 flat, B flat major or G minor, 2 flats, 3 flats, 4 flats, and so on. I'll show you how to draw key signatures in flats. If you need 1 flat, place it here. 2 flats, 3, 4, 5, and for key signatures with 6 flats, there.
But the real question is, why do we add these specific sharps and flats? So, when we're going up the scale, the reason we add an F sharp followed by C sharp followed by a G sharp is because we're adding the leading tone for the notes. So a half step down from G is F sharp, half step down from D is C sharp, half step down from A is G sharp. And so if we were doing a key in A major, we would add F sharp followed by C sharp followed by G sharp. On the other hand, if we're going down the scale, we want to use the sharps. We want to use the flats of the note that comes the note that's the next key signature. So for F, in the key of F, it's going to have a B flat in it. This is the key of B flat, you're going to add an E flat to it. It's the key of E flat, you're going to add an A flat. It's the key of A flat, you're going to add a D flat. So if you're doing the key of A flat major, you're going to add a B flat, an E flat, an A flat, and D flat.